Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you all are good and well. So this is our video for today, and in this video we will talk about Apple Watch won't turned on. So how you can fix that? There is a multiple ways. So in this video we will talk about two or three different ways. An Apple Watch is an ultra popular and feature-rich wearable that let you set fitness goal and add workouts, track your sleep, and do much more. That said, all these features are on no use if your Apple Watch won't turn on. Fortunately, such issue can be easily fixed if you are following the right approach. In this video, we walk you through five or two or three ways to fix an Apple Watch that won't turn on. Without any ado, let's get in right there and turn on your Apple Watch. The first one is force restart Apple Watch. Unless you feel that your iWatch is completely out of charge, the first thing you should do to fix your Apple Watch that won't turn on is a hard reset or force restart. It will help you to roll out any software glitches or issues that might hamper the normal functioning of your Apple Watch. Also, if you have enable or accidentally trigger a feature or mod that caused your Apple Watch screen to go all dark, a force restart will force your Apple wearable to turn off and give it a fresh start. In most cases, this should help you fix Apple Watch won't turn on issues, except if a dead battery is the culprit. Keep in mind that a hard reset or force restart is completely different from a factory reset, and it won't delete anything. So all your data and download a did app will remain intact. Here are how to force restart or hard reset Apple Watch. Press and hold the digital crown and the side button simultaneously for 10 seconds. When you see the Apple logo, release the button. In most cases, your Apple Watch should start within 10 seconds. However, sometimes this might be take up to 30 seconds to a minute. The second thing you can check this charge your Apple Watch. One of the most common and possible reason why your Apple Watch isn't turned on is the dead battery. If you have been using your iWatch all day long, the battery might be completely depleted and need to be charged. So if you cannot power your Apple Watch, you should charge it for at least 30 minutes and then try again. In case you haven't use and charge your smartwatch for 30 days, try charging your Apple Watch overnight to turn it on. If your Apple Watch does not charge or say that the charging with this accessory isn't supported, you can try the following. Make sure you're using the original or a certified charging cable. Check if the back of your watch and the surface of the magnetic charger are clean. Inspect your charging cable for any visible site of damage like bent, exposed wire, or cuts. Double check your power outlet and make sure it is in good condition. If the cable seems to be faulty, use another compatible cable to charge your Apple Watch. These are the common ways to fix an Apple Watch that won't charge. For more step and detailed information, head to our dedicated troubleshooting video on how to fix Apple Watch not charging issue. You can check the link of the video in the description, or you can simply go to the channel and find the video or search the video from this channel. So this is our video for today. I hope you get some information from this video. I know this is a basic ways that I tell you in this video. I hope this will help you to fix your Apple Watch problem. So this is our video for today, and we will see you in the next one.